The Russian state company, Rostec, recently supplied a number of T-80BVM tanks modernized with anti-drone protection modules to the Russian armed forces. Rostec did not say how many tanks were sent to Russian troops to support its military operations in Ukraine. The Omsk Transmash factory of Ural-Vagon Zavod, part of Rostec, has delivered a number of modernized T-80BVM tanks to the Army, the company wrote in its Telegram channel. Rostec explained that the tank is equipped with a special structure consisting of a mesh screen that protects the engine and transmission, as well as the rear of the turret from grenades, guided missiles and FPV drones. The Omsk Transmash factory is located in the city of Omsk, Siberia. In the video, Rostec shows the tank factory facilities and the delivery of tanks by train to the Ukrainian front. Apart from being equipped with a protective module at the top of the turret, this tank is also equipped with wheel protectors. The company also upgraded the T-80BVM dynamic defense system. This system detonates shells at a greater distance than the main armor, so the tank can be defended. The T-80BVM are superior in terms of performance, maneuverability, control, speed and protection to their Western counterparts, Rostec said. Ural-Vagon Zavod added that another advantage of the T-80BVM lies in its 1,250 horsepower gas turbine engine. The tank can travel at a speed of 70 km per hour. The tanks of the 80s from the Omsk plant are considered the quietest tanks. The tank makes almost no sound when moving towards the enemy thanks to the special design of the exhaust pipe, the factory said. The T-80BVM is the latest version of the T-80 main battle tank, which has been in production since 1976. Deliveries to the Russian army began in 2019. Last April, Russian Defense Minister Sergei Shoigu, before being replaced, instructed the Russian defense industry to increase production of T-80BVM tanks for use by Russian troops in Ukraine.